What's going on, everybody? So welcome to another button tutorial video. Today we're actually going to be doing a button tutorial on the new 2026 Toyota BZ. All right, let's start off on the left side here on the door. You have a button here to control your power folding mirrors. And then right here, you have your left and right to control your mirrors. Lock and unlock. Then you have your mirrors, and then you can lock the windows in the back. Right below the left side of the steering wheel, you can reset your odometer, and then you can adjust the brightness on your display. Right here, you have your automatic high beams, your de-icer function for the windshield, and then you can open up your the trunk here. Left side of the steering wheel here, you have your buttons to control your lights, daytime running lights, your auto, like your fog lights, and then your parking lights. Right side is for your windshield wipers. Now right here on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your back button for your digital gauge cluster, your call button. This is where you can control what you see on your screen right in front of you. And then right here is your volume up and down, and then your assistant, your voice assistant. Right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control button, and then your lane keep assist with steer assist, and then you can adjust your speed up and down. Here's your mode for your different cruise controls, the gap adjust between you and the preceding vehicle, and then you can actually control your stations for your music or Apple CarPlay, whatever you use. Now right back here you have paddle shifters, and what these shifters are for is actually for the regenerative braking in the new Toyota BZ. You have a nice audio multimedia display right here, and I was just gonna kind of show you what it looks like here. Now just to let you guys know, the new BZ actually has battery preconditioning, so you can actually get the battery temperature at an optimal level before you use it for DC fast charging, and you can do it right on the screen here. Now what I really like about the new BZ is now everything is on the touch screen. So if you want to adjust your heated steering wheel button here, heated seats, where you want the air to flow, and then you can go to your climate here and adjust some things like the de-icer, eco heat, cool, your smart flow, and then on this side is the heated seat for your passenger. Here's where you can adjust your fan speed, and then you can actually adjust your circulate the air within the cabin, your AC, and then here's your temperature controls, front defroster, rear defroster with outside mirrors. Right down here you have two nice wireless chargers now. The previous generation did not have this. And then right down here you actually have your park button. To put it in drive, you push down to the right and it puts it in drive, and then down and left to put it in reverse. There's the backup camera. And then if you want to put it in neutral, you hold it down and then push to park again. Right over here you have your traction control off, eco mode, and then you can put it in different drive modes. This is called X mode, and it's good for deep snow and dirt, and then you have like deep snow and mud. Very nice. And then right here you have your brake hold function, which if you put it in drive and you're stuck in traffic, it'll hold the brake for you. And then right here you have your electronic parking brake. Right up here you have all your buttons to program it to your garage, and then you have your left light, door lights, so when you open the doors the lights come on, all lights, and then your right light. This comes with 8-way power adjustable seat and lumbar support. Center console area is nice. You have a his and hers setup, so you can flip it up in both directions. Now right here I just wanted you guys to check out the seats. Let's jump in the back seats here. Good amount of space for me. I'm 6 foot tall. You have two USB-Cs, and then you have your two vents down here. Let's take a quick look at the steering wheel and the audio multimedia and center console area. Now just to show you guys up front here, you have your fog lights here, and then you have all your sensors for when you're parking. Now this also comes with the smart key system on the doors, so all you have to do is put your hand right here. It'll unlock the doors, and then you can actually lock the doors by just pushing this button right here. And then on the key fob, what's really nice is that you actually have, when you lock it and unlock it, it'll fold the mirrors in. There's that nice BZ badge with the battery electric all-wheel drive. Let's check out the back here. And there's a button right here. You just push it, opens up the trunk. Let's check out the back. Right back here, you have your 120 volt. And to turn this on, you have to push this button when the vehicle's on. And there you go. Now, the new Toyota BZ actually comes with the new NACS charger. So now you can charge this on Tesla chargers. But you also get some different adapters so you can actually switch from different charging standards. And then right back here, you just have this cover that comes back and hooks in. And this comes with the BZ all-weather mats. Now back here, this also has the kick sensor. So if you have the key fob in hand, it'll work, or you can push these buttons here to close the back. Now right here, I just wanted to show you guys where you plug it in and charge. You just push and it opens, and there's your charging port. Now guys, this one is the XLE. We also have a BZ Limited that exists. That one self-parks itself. I've actually done a full review on my channel of this car, so if you guys want to see it, go check it out in the link above. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you have any questions whatsoever about the Toyota BZ, or maybe one of the higher trim levels or one of the other electric vehicles from Toyota, like the BZ Woodland or the CHR, I can do some button tutorials on those when those start coming to the dealership. And if you guys are big Toyota fans, as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video.